Welcome everyone to this tutorial. Um, we are going to be prototyping a full landing page of a website. A student of mine came to me and said he needs to learn how to prototype this website, especially the animation on the website. So I have to redesign the website and then recreate the animation. So shout out to him because he's the one that is making this tutorial possible. So let's take a look on the websites that we are about to, or the prototype that we are about to recreate together. So in this session, the intro, the website loads like this, and then after then it opens up, okay? And then you are going to see on the menus here, you can click on the any of this home layer to go to any section. So but I did not design another section apart from the landing page, but it's basically the same way, the same thing if you have multiple layers or maybe multiple pages for every layout. So you click on the layout 1 or layout 2 or layout 3 and it will automatically take you to that particular page. But the main goal here is for you to learn how to be able to make something like this, that you don't most times a lot of people complain that whenever they hover, once they leave that place, the overlay goes out and so on and so forth. So it's basically to learn how to do this so that the overlay sticks until your mouse leaves. Okay, because once my mouse leaves, the overlay disappears. So something like this. You also learn how to make this double effect here. So if I move here, it goes back here, and then if I move back, and it will disappear. So like this, okay. So and then when you come to this side, you see you hover. Basically, these ones are just basic animation. But there's one thing, there's an interesting thing about this particular one here. Okay, initially, whenever you hover, you should just wipe, and when you lift when you go out from that place, or maybe when your mouse lifts the button, it should have done the reverse, but it's not happening. It continues the movement. It also swaps. So you are going to learn how to make it like this. Okay, so in this session, this is the landing the hero session basically. Okay, here the text stays for a while, and then the element stays for a while and then moves. But let's say you want to read all that it has to say within the hero session, you can decide to click here and then go back and forth like this. Okay, but if you allow it for a while, it will keep on coming by itself. Okay, without clicking, it will keep on coming by itself. Okay, but if you wish to read, maybe you have to go through this very fast. You then have to click, and when you click, it appears as well. So here you have this button that it's more like a continuous animation there. So you are going to learn those. So here you can see on this side, whenever I should begin to scroll, the brightness grows like that. Okay, so here basic animation, and then we learn how to make something like this. Yeah, you can see that, kind of cool. All right, so you can see this. If you hover, it comes, hover, it comes closer like this. All right, then in this section you have something like this. Okay, and you can click to go to different section like this, like this, like this, or like this. Okay, or if you can also come here and click like this. When you click, you go to different sections like this. Okay, And then if you observe very well, whenever the mouse leaves, it disappears. But if the mouse should come, it appears like that. Super cool, super cool, super cool. Okay, we've learned how to do those. And here you basically have your reviews. If you click here, it goes to a different section, different sections like this. Alright, so here we have frequently asked questions. If you click on any question, it expands and other ones close. If you click here, it expands and other ones close as well. So watch. Interesting. You can see the way it grows as you begin to come in like this. Alright, so here we have this one there, and then we have this particular one. The website, actually, I don't know why they decided to have this kind of animation on their recent article, but we just decided to recreate it in Figma. Okay, so I think maybe something like this. You just learn how to. The idea is that when you hover, when you hover, it changes, and when you leave, it makes that animation like that. Okay, so I think that is pretty much about it. And you can come here where if you want to, you can as well click here. Let's say you want to visit their TikTok page or maybe their Facebook page or Instagram account. Okay, you click on that and it will automatically take you to a different section altogether. Okay, so for now I've connected my social accounts to those. In case if you want to follow me on any of my social media handles, please, you can basically click on any of these to go there. Okay, but we will also learn how to add those links to a text or maybe to something like this, so that whenever you click on it, it will take you to a third party or maybe another website that is to take you out of Figma entirely to another website that you have linked to your design. Okay, so you can see that is pretty much about it. Let's you can see we have a lot of work to do now, and when you begin to go back, things change as well. Okay, just like this, just like this, just like this. Okay, so we have a lot of work to do, so grab your copy, get ready to learn, because we have a lot to talk about. So with that being said, let's get started.